Hi everyone, I'm Polly G. Welcome to Fashion with Me. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. When I do a get ready with me video, I start by showing you the outfit, the handbag, the accessories, and the shoes. The makeup I am wearing now is the makeup that I have chosen to go with this outfit. So I will show you how I created this look in the second portion of the video. I will only be showing the eyeshadow, the blush, and lipstick I am wearing. So if you would like to see the beginning steps of this look, I will have links to some of my other makeup tutorials linked down below if you would like to check them out. Also, if you would like to skip the outfit portion of this video, I will have a timestamp linked below when the makeup portion of the video begins. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here is a sneak peek of the outfit. Okay, so the first item are the jeans that I am wearing with this outfit. And these jeans are just a basic straight leg jean. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. It's just a straight leg jean that works really well with the riding boots that I'm going to be pairing with this outfit. Second item is this black tunic sweater. And it's just your basic, just a basic black tunic sweater that's gonna, I think, work well with this outfit. So the next item is this scarf. It's just a black and white scarf that I doubled up that I'm going to wear with this sweater just to bring in a little bit of contrast. Next, I wanted to show the boots. I believe these are from INC. They have a little bit of silver hardware on the side and they have a zip closure. So I think this pairs really well with the black and white with the silver hardware. The next item is this bag from Calvin Klein. I think this works really well because it has the silver hardware that is going to tie in really well with the silver hardware that are on the boots. So I think it's really important when you're putting your outfits together to always match your hardware. Your jewelry, the hardware in your, if you're wearing a belt, or in this case, the hardware that is on the boot, they should always match. It really will help to pull the outfit together. The last item is this black peacock coat. It is from Kenneth Cole. And this is just if it's cold out and you want to add an extra layer, I think this will work really well. Okay, so these are the accessories that I'll be wearing with this outfit. I have this nice big bold ring that I like to wear on my middle finger on my right hand. And then I'm going to wear these little tiny silver hoop earrings that I think will tie in really well. They're very casual to go with this, and my silver watch. So again, I am just tying in all of the silver hardware with the silver hardware that is in the outfit. I also wanted to show the nail polish. This is a gel nail polish from Sally Hansen, dries real quick, and it is the color Love Me Lilac. Okay, so this is the makeup portion of the video. I have already done all of my skin prep. I have put on my foundation, concealer, I have done my eyebrows, and I have put on my bronzer. I am not going to show those steps because I'm focusing this look mainly on the eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick. So if you would like to see those steps, I will link some of my other makeup tutorials down below and you can check those out. One of the things I always do, and I actually forgot to mention that I did this already as well, is I always put this Neutrogena brown eyeliner pencil on the bottom lash line of my eye. So I have already done that as well. So now let's move on to the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today is going to be from this eyeshadow palette from Revolution, and it is called Iconic. Because the outfit that I'm wearing is very cool toned, I'm going to stick with the cool tone colors in this palette. So the colors that I'm going to be focusing on in this palette are this top right color, this top color here, this bottom color over here, and this bottom color over here. And then I will use this other color at the top for under my brow. So those will be the colors that I'm going to be using in this palette. So the first color that I'll be starting with is going to be this color right here. And that is going to go in as my transition shade. And I'm putting that on the crease, on the brow bone, and on the outer part of my eye. And I'm just going to blend that all in, do the other side. And same thing, focusing on the crease, and the brow bone and the outer part of my eye. Okay? Now, I do want to mention, if you've seen any of my other videos before, I always do this next step with this flat brush. But the reason I do that is because most of the shades that I have been showing are these shimmer type shades. And these shimmer type shades go on very differently than matte shades do. So I'm not going to be using this brush for this next step. I'm going to be using this, I think it's a crease brush or a blending brush. I'm going to be using this for the next step because this is a matte formula that I'm going to be using and it goes on very different. So let me show you what I mean. So the color I'm going to be using for this next step is going to be this dark purple color down here. And the way I'm going to apply this is going to be right in the crease, and I'm going to start in the center of my eye so that I don't get too much on the outer part of my eye because I want to blend this all in. So I'm just doing like a windshield washer motion, if you can see, and I'm just putting that right above, well, it's in my crease, but above my crease. It's not directly in the crease. And then I'm just bringing it down into the corner, what's left on the brush. Blend that in. You see that? And we'll do the same on the other side. And like I said, I always start in the center of my eye when I'm applying this so that you can blend going back and forth. If you start over here, you're going to get too much over here and it's going to be harder to blend out. Now, because the next color that I am going to use is going to be a shimmer shade, that I am going to put on with my finger. So I'm going to use that and put that on with my finger and just press again right in the middle of my eye like you would do with any other shimmer shade. Same on this side. Okay, and now I'm going to take the brush that I use for my transition shade and I'm going to blend this all together and focusing on the outer part of my eye. Okay. The next shade I'm going to be using is this shade right here, and that is going to go under my brow. This is a great shade for under your brow. It's just, it just gives a little bit of pop and it goes on really, really nice. I really like this color for under my brow. And so I'm gonna just do that. And then there's a shimmer shade right here that I'm going to just put a little bit in the corner of my eye, right here, just to brighten this up. Like that. Same on the other side. Okay. And then we'll go back in with the blending brush and just blend this out right here. So this, never want to have any harsh lines. We just want to soften all of this. Just like that. And for the last step for the eyes, I'm going to be using this color down here. And we're just going to put that right in the outer corner. And bring it down a little bit. That just, I always like to put a little bit in the corner just to bring a little bit of depth to my eye. Just like that. The next thing I always do is tightline, and I always do that with my black Neutrogena pencil. So this goes on from underneath, and you're basically just following your lash line and deepening that corner of your eye. On the side. Okay, next I am moving on to blush. I have shown this color before. It is from Maybelline Fit Me in the color Plum. Because we are going with a lot of purples today, I'm going to stick with the Plum blush. So I'm going to tap that in, put a little bit on the back of my hand, and start applying. this side. And for lipstick, I am wearing this lip liner in the color Mauve from NYX. You can see I use it a lot because it's really tiny. The next item I'm going to be wearing is from Revlon, and it's also in the color Plum for the lipstick, and it is in the color Plum Baby. And I always like to top it off with a little bit of lip gloss in a similar color. This is also from NYX. Moving on to mascara, I'm going to be using this Full and Soft from Maybelline in the color Very Black. When putting on mascara, I do not put any mascara on my lower lashes, but I do go right in the outer corner of the lashes. It's just on the very, very outer corner of my bottom lashes. I feel that opens up your eye without dragging it down. So I don't put anything on over here. It's just on the outer corner, and I focus all the rest of it all on the top. Same on this side, just in the corner of my eye, and a little bit on the bottom lash, but not a lot. And I just feel that really opens up your eye really well. Again, without pulling anything down. Okay, so my makeup is all done. I just want to say, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. It really helps my channel grow. It doesn't cost a thing, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, so now I'm going to get dressed, pull everything together, and show you the final look. So that is the final look. Please leave me a comment down below if you enjoyed this style of video where I show an outfit and the makeup and nail polish that I paired with it. I would really love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. And in the meantime, always remember, keep it classy, keep it stylish, and always be your best self. Bye.